Hello everyone, today we will be covering inputs and functions. So, inputs are basically a simple thing, and it is that you want to take some input from the user. You don't want to hard code your values, but rather you want to give the user the freedom to input something. So, if I make a variable called name, and then I write input, okay, then I'm asking the user to input their value, to input their name, and then we save whatever they input or insert here in the variable name. So after they input that, we can actually print it, right? So if we run this, there's nothing showing because it's asking me to input something. So I'm going to write my name, and it's just going to print whatever it got, all right? So let's make this a bit more readable. So we can actually pass something inside input, and we can say, please enter your name. Okay, so now we're giving a message to the user to let them know what are we asking from them. Now this makes more sense because last time it was nothing and the user would not know what to input. So here I would input my name. Nah. And let's make something more useful. We can actually make two things here. So like your name is, or like hello, and then comma, and then so we're passing two things to print. We want two things to be printed, hello, and then whatever name is input. So hello, Mustafa. Alright, so sorry, by default there is a space gets added whenever you add a comma, so I didn't have to put a space by myself. So if I click enter, hello, Mustafa. Alright, so you can already see what's going on here. Now your application is becoming more dynamic. You don't have to put each, I don't know if you're doing a program for a university, you don't have to code each student's name. You can just let them input it and then save it somewhere, for example, which we're doing here. And in the future, we can also do courses on how to actually save things in files and databases. And yeah, so that's making the application or like whatever the code you write more dynamic.